Okay guys, using JavaScript. This is where I should just please subscribe and like after the video. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create a dropdown using JavaScript. So this is the all categories. You can see this is our dropdown here. When we click on it, it disappears. When we click on it again, it appears. So as you can see this web page right here, Vegemart. That's the name of the web page. As you can see the entire web page. This is aspect of JavaScript using display and display blocks. Currently call it a slideshow. As you can see, this is it. Oh, and if you want me to teach you how to create a website just like this, please subscribe and let me up and please subscribe, and then I'm gonna put the video. Again, you're going to see it. So first, let me. Oh, my Visual Studio Code is open right here, and this is the script here, and this is the project. As you can see, these are the links: products, pages, blog, accessories, fitness and sports, electronics, furnitures, men, women, home. That's exactly what it is here: home, women, product, pages, blog, accessories, fitness and sport, electronics, furnitures, men, women, and home. So these are the font awesome icons: home, piggy bank, briefcase, bear, camera, dumbbell. These are the font awesome. This is the font awesome here. This is the folder. This is font awesome. This is the folder that is for the font awesome. This is an offline font awesome on my tissue. I'm going to post the video how to teach on how to use font awesome offline. So as you can see, for us to make it a drop down. Now this is this is a link. These are links inside a div called oboe, yeah. And this is the script. The script is JavaScript. When we click on it, this is actually a lot of JavaScript code here, but I'm not going to focus on the one I'm doing, which is the oboe. This is the oboe. This is the selector. You select the div using the get element by hiding method, and then you style it using JavaScript. Put it to display none. That is, when we click on it, it displays none. When we click on it, it displays none. So then for the other function, for the other function, is the first function, my function here. The first function, my function. The second function, m function. So for the other function, the oboe, you just put it, you leave the display empty, or you can put it to block. Anyone, you can put it to block. You can put it to block, inline block, anyone that's stable for you. But you better to leave it empty because the data should be automatically put it back to default. So yeah, so the data should automatically placed back to the default mode. So this is main thing. Then all you gotta do, have to create two buttons here. These are the buttons. This is a button tag button. Give the button an ID. Give the button an inline style. You can put an external style. Doesn't really matter. So I use an inline style. So all categories. Then I add the font awesome of bars. This is the button. I style the button font awesome of bars. All categories. And then the first button is to make it disappear. The first button is to make it right. Let's check. Okay, the first button is to make it disappear by using the event listener by using the event on click. By using the event on click is equal to my function in a quote, my function. And this is the function right here, my function here. You don't need to add the function, just the name. You just need to add the name. The broker, you don't need to add the function itself. So by clicking on it, all what I wrote in this function, it will automatically happen as if we did a CSS, but once you click on it before it happens. Then I gave it an ID of gel because when you click on it, this is the ID gel, it displays none. That's why I say we need to create two buttons. When I click on it, displays none. I know you're surprised that whoa, should be still or is it there? But this is how it is. When you create a button, it displays none. Then the other button that I gave an idea of gel, the other button here, all categories. In the script, we also automatically place it to display inline. So as this button disappear, the other one comes in quickly. As they disappear, the other one comes in, and they all have different function using JavaScript. So that's exactly how you make it. Since they all have different functions within JavaScript, the function is like this, then vice versa. The gel here will be displayed inline, and then the GL will be displaying none. So when you click on it, it automatically translates it and it gives you a drop down button right here. And that is it. That's how we create a drop down. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Subscribe to Web Shutters, and then to keep you more updated for more videos. Thank you.